Today we're going to be discussing why if you have 10 million Shib, you are going to be rich. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have. As we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is, I want to know if you guys hit that 10 million Shib mark that we are all trying to hit at least. And then also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and get signed up to public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. So you might as well get signed up to public with that first link in the description, deposit $1. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. So if you guys want to try out your luck with that, use that first link. Also, go ahead and get joined up to our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts, as well as daily or one-on-one interactions, as well as first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But anyways, today we are going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin. We have finally passed over that 25 level. We have broken back into our support range at that 23.5 level. Personally, I think we could possibly make a support here at the 24. I think that's definitely a possibility, but we'll discuss that more in the technical analysis here in a bit. But today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin. We're going to be talking about why you're going to be rich if you hold 10 million Shib and much more. So if you guys want to hear all that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. First off, I do want to go over this. If you guys don't know, quantifycrypto.com, we're not sponsored by them, by the way. I just really like to use their platform, is a way to check the technical scores of different cryptos. And right now they have Shiba Inu Coin as a 66 or slightly bullish. Now, we have been in the slightly bearish over the past couple of days, especially with Russia and everything. We're actually in very bearish at one point, but we are slightly bullish right now going into the night. So I'm really glad to see that. And all the RSIs aren't even overbought yet. So we can definitely see some more gains going into tonight, but we'll have to see where that does go. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of, check that out real quick. And next up, I do want to talk about Coinbase. So if you guys don't know, Coinbase was one of the first, major exchanges to really give Shiba Inu Coin kind of a fair shake, obviously. Or maybe not one of the first, but they were actually a bit late, but they were one of the big ones to give Shiba Inu Coin a fair shake, and they probably did it earlier than they really needed to, listing Shiba Inu Coin. But anyways, user numbers in Q4 earnings surprise. The Coinbase earnings showed shares of trading of volume of Ethereum were up, or coming from, and the shares trading these were coming from assets such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and Shib grew from 59% to 68%. So basically, Shiba Inu Coin was the whole amount that was being traded on Ethereum during Q4. It was Shiba Inu Coin. That's where all of the trading was coming from, and Shiba Inu Coin basically made Coinbase a ton of money. And they posted a record revenue in Q4. Obviously, that was when we had that October run. But Coinbase, obviously, reaping the benefits. Someone like Robinhood, not exactly reaping the benefits from this. But anyways, let's talk about why you're going to be rich with Shiba Inu. So if you guys don't know, we had a Shib AMA with Watcher Guru just a couple of days ago. I did a full live stream on it. You guys can watch that if you guys want to. And also, by the way, we put out 2 videos yesterday. They were absolutely fire. I put out one, Kyle put out one. It's our top 3 cryptos. So if you guys want to check those out, make sure you guys check that out. It's probably going to be in the link here. But anyways, we're going to be talking about why you're going to be rich with Shiba Inu. So in the AMA, a lot of different things were talked about. One of the things that was talked about was the Doggy DAO. The Doggy DAO is basically a decentralized autonomous organization. It basically gives voting power to the Shiba Inu community and decentralize Shib even further. This was talked about. That is extremely good for Shib. The Shib burns were mentioned. In ShibaSwap 2.0, there's going to be a specific burn portal. So not only are we getting getting more decentralized, but we're also going to have a burn portal that basically helps facilitate burns with ShibaSwap 2.0. Another thing that was mentioned was wellies, but obviously I don't care much about wellies. A lot was talked about the metaverse. If you guys don't know, there's going to be 99,000 pieces of land in the Shiba Inu's upcoming metaverse, the Shiberse. And it's going to be a 10-day land event for the first 35,000 plots that are going to be released at first. You have to hold leash, and then you're going to be paying with Ethereum. That's just adding to the overall ecosystem of Shiba Inu Coin. A lot of people might say, oh, why don't we get to pay with leash? Basically, you'd have to, they're going to be using the funds they get from this land to build the metaverse. And if they were to be receiving that and then dumping it back to you to liquefy it, to then pay for the metaverse, it just wouldn't be good. So that's why they're using Ethereum. But yeah, another thing that was mentioned was the Shiba Inu games with William Volk, former Activision head William Volk spoke in length about the upcoming Shiba Inu games that his team is working on. He confirmed that a game will be a collectibles card game. He said, I want to make this clear, it's not just a clone of an existing game. Collectible card game, this is really kind of unique. Something that is very interesting about this is it has this very sustainable economy. It includes for both the mobile game and the blockchain game. So basically, we're going to have a mobile game that is going to be released first, and then the blockchain game that is going to be ran on Shibarium, obviously. So really awesome to see there. And then also 2,000 owners of the Shiboshi NFTs are going to be able to get land from the metaverse. So all of that was just announced, and that is pretty much the roadmap we have going forward for Shiba Inu Coin. And I see this as very bullish. I know some people have said, you know, oh, they're not doing enough. This AMA was kind of underwhelming. You're asking for too much. You're asking for way too much if you thought that was underwhelming. I think it was amazing, and it will make us millionaires. So the global crypto market is sitting at about $1.8 trillion, a 4% increase. Just overall bullish movement today. I mean, you can see Ethereum right here, just on an absolute rocket up. I mean, us Ethereum holders are just so happy today. And overall, us, everyone in the crypto markets are happy today. But Shiba Inu Coin down here, the reason that you're going to be rich if you hold a 10 million Shiba Inu Coin is because if we reach a cent, you're going to have $1 million. That you need a 10 million Shib. If we reach a cent, you'll have $1 million. A lot of people say that's not possible, Zach. That's simply not possible. Okay. So say we don't burn anything, we would need to be at like a $3.4 trillion market cap or something to reach a 1 cent. I understand this. Okay, say let's get to a tenth of a penny, which is going to be a $300 billion market cap. Very possible with the crypto bull run in the future. If you have 10 million Shib, you're still gonna have $100,000. And right now, 10 million Shib does not cost $100,000. 10 million Shib costs about $250. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Just, hey, don't listen to these people. Get some Shib. Get some Shib. That's all I gotta say. If you don't have Shib right now, I don't know what you're doing. But anyways, technical analysis. Basically, we are trading between this resistance and the support. The support I did have at 23.5, but I really think we are going to make a support here at the 20 above the 24 and trade between the 28 and the 24. I know we dipped, but that was all because of Russia, and I think we tested it right here as well as we tested it right here as well. I think this is a very good support here at the 24 level, and then also we're going to have our MACD is trending up right now, and the RSI is only at 58. So I could see us getting all the way to about the 27 before starting to consolidate a bit more. But yeah, make sure you guys get signed up to Public with the first link in the description. Get your free stock with that first link, just deposit $1, and also get signed up to our private Discord with that second link in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for me today. Make sure you guys subscribe. That's it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.